I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres. I'm in the asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. I was spotted for the first time in 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi, the Sicilian. I was named after the goddess of agriculture. The Romans gave me my name in their time and culture. I am the smallest orbiting planet in our solar system. It takes 4.6 years for me to go around our sun. And I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres. I'm in the asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. NASA's exploring me with a space probe named Dawn and found a crater named Arcadia that had bright spots on. Nobody really knows why the spots are there, what they're from, but with all these scientists I'm sure the answer will come. In 2006 my status changed to a dwarf. Before that I was a planet and I was an asteroid. I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres. I'm in the asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt.
Please listen. I used to be the ninth planet in our solar system, but didn't meet the 3 criteria the IAU had written. 1. A planet must be in orbit around our sun. 2. Has the mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium. 3. It has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. And that is the reason that I am now a dwarf planet, son. My name is Pluto and it's planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. I was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. He worked as an astronomer from Lowell Observatory in Arizona. I was named Pluto by an 11-year-old girl named Venetia Bernie. Pluto was the Roman god of the underworld. Astronomers recently found him the biggest dwarf planet around. 736.3 is my radius and I'm brown. My name is Pluto and it's planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. Maybe the IAU will reverse my status to a planet, but for now I'm happy being a dwarf planet, so there you have it.
My name's Almay, yeah, I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am ovally shaped due to the fast rotation, sun's fun. My name's Almay, I was discovered in 2003 in Spain by the Sierra Nevada Observatory. My first nickname was Santa before the IAU named me. In 2008 they changed me to dwarf status officially. Yeah, I am oval, it's because I rotate at a high speed. One of my system's fastest rotating large objects I'd be. My name Amaya comes from the Hawaiian culture.
A Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the third largest dwarf planet in outer space, and my color is red, and I have no hemisphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. On March 31st in 2005 is when the Polar Observatory brought me to life. Easter Bunny was my name when they discovered me. 2008, the IAU confirmed me officially. They also gave me the name that remains Maki, which was a Rapa Nui god of fertility. I have no natural satellites that orbit around me. Negative 239 is my average degree. A Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the third largest dwarf planet in outer space, and my color is red, and I have no hemisphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. Molecules then tholins up to exist on me. They're formed when ultraviolet light interacts with ethane you see. These molecules make me the reddish brown color I be. No space probes have visited me, no missions have been deployed. I orbit outside of Neptune, which means that I'm a Plutoid. I'm found inside the Kuiper Belt with comets and the asteroid. Oh Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the third largest dwarf planet in outer space, and my color is red, and I have no hemisphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere.
My name is Zero.